Hey guys, I am here Suchit. This is my mathematics presentation of fourth semester. And in this presentation, in this presentation, this is the agenda of which we are discussing. What is probability? What is statistics? Artificial intelligence? How probability and statistics used in artificial intelligence? Statistics in artificial intelligence. Basically, what is mean by probability? Uh, in this presentation slide, this was a basic definition of probability. Basically, probability is the chance happening or not happening of an event. For example, when we toss a coin, either we get heads or tails. Only two possible outcomes are possible. On tossing a coin, each outcome has equal probability, and there are two outcomes. There are heads and tails in zero point 0.5. Probability is the way of expressing knowledge of belief that an event will occur in chance. Probability is a branch of math that studies patterns of chance. The idea of probability is based on observation. How is probability used in AI? Probability theory is incorporated into machine learning. Particularly, the subset of artificial intelligence concerned with predicting outcomes and making decisions. The value assigned by these functions assets the neutral networks. In making better discussions, and is often the final step, is a neural network function. Uh, and basically, we should focus on Bayes theorem, normal distribution, and central limit theorems, basic axioms of probability, random variables, conditional probability. And next we'll go to what is mean by statistics. Statistic means that is a collection of data, tabulation, analysis, and interpretation of quantitative information. In other words, statistics is a branch of such science used in dealing with phenomena that can be described numerically by counts or by measurements. Quantitative information, population, birth, fertility. And basically, example in our daily life based on statistics is to make the doctors will predict the future of the disease. And how is probability used in AI? Measures of tendency, informational statistics, significance tests, A by B testing, regression. And basically, we came to what is mean by artificial intelligence. The language, most popular programming language in our daily life. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in mission that are programmed to think like humans. In term may also be applied to any mission that exhibit traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. And this is the basic structure of artificial intelligence. In probability, there will be chain rule, Bayes rule, and normal distribution, and random variables, and conditional probabilities were be using. And in these probabilities, programs for reasoning and decisions. Statistic used in artificial intelligence. And basically in statistics, which we are used in artificial intelligence, will be based on measure of central tendency, inferential statistics, significance tests, A by B testing, etc., and regression. And there are in artificial intelligence there are four types of artificial intelligence: reactive missions, limited memory, and theory of minds, and self-aware. And basically nowadays in our real life, artificial intelligence is more popular, and the implementation of applications of artificial intelligence are robotics, smart cars, example like Tesla. Thank you.